So I've done a lot of skincare mistakes over the 20 years of my life, and today I'm going to be decoding all of those mistakes and all the learnings that I've got through my skincare journey. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you basically have a bonus tip at the end of this video, so make sure you stay until the end of this video to know everything that you may have done right, wrong, or you are supposed to be doing when it comes to your skincare. So the tip number 1 is eating good and eating healthy. So if I'm telling you eating good and eating healthy, it's not supposed to be on a strict diet and everything. Just make sure try avoiding coffee, tea, and any beverages of that sort, even Coca-Cola and everything. And also make sure you intake a lot of nutritious food and you give your skin what it needs. And try avoiding fried food. Fried foods are not good for your skin. Sugar in specific is very harmful for your skin. So skincare is also of two types. If you have seen my hair care video, I've told you guys any care, maybe your skincare, body care or hair care, are of two types, internal and external. What you put into your gut will obviously show it on your skin. My father has like really good skin. He drinks literally like 5 or 6 liters of water probably every day. So he keeps drinking water, and also he had curd rice in his diet, which is again a really good for your skin. I don't know if you're lactose intolerant, this doesn't suit you, but adding curd into your diet can also improve the shine of your skin. So everybody gets their skincare tip from their parents. I'm getting it from my father. He has like really good plumpy red beautiful. So you need to have a specific skincare routine. This is the point number 3. So specific skincare routine in the sense you need to have daily, weekly and monthly routine. You need to have morning and night, that is your AM and PM routine. So your AM routine should be strictly restricted to protecting your skin from sun, dust and everything. And your PM routine should be a routine where you can rejuvenate your skin, where you can give your skin that time to heal. So if you have any concerns, any skin issues, you can apply all of those products at the night so that it gets more time to rejuvenate and seep into your skin. So as I talked about daily skincare routine, the 4th step is you need to have a weekly skincare routine. So what does your weekly skincare routine consider? You need to have a scrub, a face scrub, and you need to have a mask relating on the issues that you're focusing on, or in general a hydrating mask. You can use a sheet mask or you can also use a DIY mask. It's all up to you, but making sure you give that one day of time or in a week for your weekly routine is very important. You need to have a monthly skincare routine. That is our point number 5. So monthly skincare routine includes a full-fledged cleanup at home, preferably at home. I like to scrub my face, steam my face. Steaming is really good for your skin. So I basically steam my face, scrub my face, and try to remove all the impurities and dead skin cells. If you are somebody who also likes to like shave your face, you can do it on that particular day, that is once in a month. This is going to remove all the dead skin cells, all the impurities from your skin, helps it to become a really good canvas to work on. Going makeup free is our 6th point. Makeup free in the sense you should not apply any makeup at least one day in an entire week. I know it might sound hard for some people because you guys are used to doing makeup on a regular basis, but one day in an entire week is important for your skin to rejuvenate. 7th point is finding makeup which has skincare in it. For example, I use sunscreen which has niacinamide. I use foundation which has hyaluronic acid. I use lipstick which has tint but also lip balm which helps in recovering my lips. So Detox water. Drinking detox water every day is very, very important. This is our 8th point. You can include green tea instead of your coffee and all other beverages. You can also include lime water instead of cool drinks, but try avoiding sugar in it completely. What I basically do is I drink warm water with a pinch of lemon and salt in it every day in the morning. So this works as detox water for me. I'm doing it since like really long time, so I can really see the difference, how my skin is evolving day by day, and this have become a habit for me over a period of. Learn about skincare. Make yourself educated towards skincare. So there are a lot of products in the market, but you just need a bunch of them for your skin. Make sure you research really well. If you have pigmentation, research for the products that heals pigmentation, which gives you even tone skin. If you're tanned, make sure you use sunscreen, which also helps you non-tanning, but you also use night cream, which helps in repairing your tan. If you have pigmentation, you have dull dry skin, make sure you research for the products that helps you in catering to that particular problem. So if you have acne prone skin, just consult dermat or just do some research, and keeping yourself educated about skincare is very, very important. So if you're somebody who's facing a lot of problem with your skincare and does not know what to do when it comes to skincare, a dermatologist is a right person that you need to consult for, especially with the people who have acne and many other things, skin disorders. You need to consult dermatologists, and make sure you fix an appointment and meet them once in a while, like once in a month or once in 2 months, because those are the experts that can help you with all sort of skin problems, and neglecting that can lead to worsen case of your skin. So if you feel that whatever you're doing is not right, whatever you're doing is not benefiting you, then you need to consult a dermatologist. This is a reminder for you to consult a dermatologist. Having good sleep. 11th point is to schedule your sleep, because sleep is very, very important for every. I am on the way to set my sleep schedule properly. It's either 10:30 or 11. So you need to have adequate amount of sleep, that is minimum of 7 hours of sleep, 6 to 7 hours. It is very important for your skin to rejuvenate at the night. It needs to heal. Whatever the products that you put, if you do not prioritize your sleep, nothing is going to work. Literally nothing is going to work. The 12th point is not to change products every now and then. I know skincare can be very tricky, and you tend to change products every now and then and end up in the worst skincare journey. What I would say is, try every product at least 6 months. Only if the product tingles your skin, if you feel immense burning, try not to use those products, no matter how much you have spent in it. CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, is very, very important. This 13th point can change the way your entire skincare journey looks. So having CTM, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, is very, very important. Finding out these 3 products which suits your skin can help you in a long run, and it can give you that instant change on your skin, the way your skin looks. The 14th point is sunscreen. I cannot stress enough how neglected sunscreen was until a period of time. I personally started using sunscreen after my high school, which was a very wrong decision to do. You need to wear sunscreen. People take this tiny bit of sunscreen and just do this and apply it all over. That doesn't work. You need to put 2 fingers of sunscreen to protect your skin from all the possible damage that it can happen. The 15th and the most amazing point is using natural DIY mask. You can use multani mitti, you can use fruit mask, you can use every other mask with honey and everything. Store bought masks are really good, but I would suggest you to use natural ingredients instead of store-bought ingredients for a while. So the bonus tip is using cold water to wash your face, using a scrub which is made out of coffee powder, turmeric especially the roasted turmeric, and honey in it. This is gonna give you that ultimate beautiful skin that you're looking out for. Skincare sooner will benefit you the most. If you are in your 20s and starting your skincare now, it will take a while for you to get a very beautiful skin. But if you are in your teenage, that is 14, 15, 16 years, and you have started your skincare journey, then you're gonna have a beautiful skin all through your 20s and more. How it feels when your skin is not nice, it damages your confidence on a longer run, and having a good skin is having a happier self. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a like, and comment down below how was the video and is there anything that I can help you out or share with you guys in my upcoming videos. And lots of love to you guys. Until next time, stay tuned, take care, bye bye. Happy journey for your skincare. So yeah.